Today we're going to be doing a video
about using every sound effect in iMovie.
And if you don't know what iMovie is, it's a editing app with a ton of sound effects.
But now we use KineMaster by that. But yeah, enjoy the video. Oh my gosh, I got a compliment! Candy! Wow.
Man, I think I'm a little bit late for school.
Have pep squeak. Safety first.
The monkey jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped his head.
I want to become president because it gives me cash for the president.
Bubbles. But first, just take a selfie.
I'm a cool kid.
Itty bitty spider.
Can't play without me till 4 o'clock. Honey, it's 4 o'clock. Oh no, the penny. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because it wanted to.
Huh?